I can feel a little bit of mischief coming up. I've been staying down in Bath again, visiting friends. But hey, let me just show you this. When you stay in this gaff, you've got to go on a bit of an hike. A bit of an hike. So when I get to the bottom of these stairs, I'm going to say to the people down here, there's a seagull in the room. I think you better go and get it. Because look how many steps you've got to get up and down before you get out of the building. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. They're not going to like walking back up here, are they? Go and have a look for that seagull. What's not in the room, really? I will say you straight away when I get here. Watch this. Watch. Right, where are they? Hello, good morning. You better get yourself up to room 12. There's a seagull in it.
There's a seagull in
it? Yeah, in room 12.
Inside?
Inside, yeah.
Oh.